Welcome back. In the previous lesson, we talked about pronouns and the verb to be. Now, we are going to focus on one pronoun, singular you. In Spanish, we have three versions, tú, vos, and usted. Now, when do we use this? Let's begin with tú. It has to have the accent mark because if not, it's not a pronoun. Tú and vos are informal. Informal. Usted is formal. Now let me explain. Tú and vos, since they are informal, we can use them with family members. We can use them with co-workers, equal peers. We can use them with children and even with our pets. Now, usted is formal. So we use it with a boss, we use it in a professional setting, we use it with strangers, we use it with elders, and in some cases, in some places, they use it with parents. Now, where do we use tú and vos since they are both informal? Well, tú is used throughout Latin America, but mainly in countries like Mexico, Peru, the Caribbean, some places in Central America, but everybody knows what tú stands for. Vos is used in Argentina, in Uruguay, in some Central American countries, some parts of Colombia. It all depends on the country or region. They are both equally accepted. They are both right. You just will be aware of it depending on where you are. But tú and vos are informal and they are both referring to the singular pronoun you. Usted, it is used formally all throughout Latin America, so you will not have a problem using usted. And to be on the safe side, you want to use usted when you meet people, and then you see if they're more comfortable using tú or vos, then you can start addressing them like that. And when you use tú or vos, it's called tutear. Tutear. That is a way to say, okay, I'm comfortable. Now you can use tú or vos with me. Now, as we saw in the previous lesson, the verbs in Spanish are conjugated, which means that they adapt to the pronoun. Now, we are going to practice, we're going to pick three verbs and we are going to practice to see what they look like with the three versions of you. Let's begin with the verb comer. Comer, to eat. Tú comes arroz. Tú comes arroz. You eat rice. Vos comes arroz. Vos comes arroz. You eat rice. Usted come arroz. Usted come arroz. As you can see, all three means you eat rice, but it all depends on who you're with, if you're using a formal pronoun or if you're using an informal pronoun. Let's practice with another verb. Caminar. Caminar, to walk. Let's conjugate. Tú caminas rápido. Tú caminas rápido. You walk fast. Vos caminás rápido. Vos caminás rápido. You walk fast. Usted camina rápido. Usted camina rápido. You walk fast. Again, you can see how the verb adapted to the different pronoun. Let's pick one more verb. tener, tener, to have. Tú tienes comida. Tú tienes comida. You have food. Vos tenés comida. Vos tenés comida. You have food. Usted tiene comida. Usted tiene comida. You have food. So now you see how the verbs adapt to the pronoun. This concludes this lesson. Now before you go, let's practice with the exit ticket. You will have 5 seconds to find the right pronoun. Usted. Usted come comida. Tú. Tú caminas rápido. Vos. Vos tenés comida. Now it's time to find the verb. Tienes. Tú tienes comida. Caminás. Vos caminás rápido. Come. Usted come arroz. Remember, you have to keep practicing. That is the only way you will acquire language. I hope to see you in the next one.